Sometimes it seems that you've seen so much in this life that nothing will be able to surprise you ever again. And then you accidentally overheard someone mention something amazing, like the fact that snails have 14,000 teeth. Yes, you've heard right, snails. Oh, the world is such an amazing place, and we picked out a few more curious facts for you. Here are 25 strange but true facts that will shock you. Fact number 25. Honey never goes off. Not after 1 year, not after 2, never. Archaeologists have often found pots of honey thousands of years old that are yet still preserved. This food can last forever. Fact number 24. The human nose can remember 50,000 different scents. Also, human ears can differentiate millions of sound, and our eyes can discriminate about thousands of colors. I've never thought about this. Fact number 23. The Turritopsis nutricola jellyfish is the only known organism on Earth which is biologically immortal. Yes, they can live forever. The only known way they can die is if they get consumed by another fish. Fact number 22. The heart of a blue whale is so massive that a human being can swim through its arteries and veins. Honestly, it's hard to imagine. Also, a blue whale is the largest animal that ever lived, larger than the biggest dinosaur. Fact number 21. Yet the throat of a blue whale is no bigger than a saucer. Therefore, it can't swallow anything wider than a beach ball. Fact number 20. For every person in the world, there are around 1.6 million ants. The overall weight of all these ants is equal to the combined weight of the world's human population. This sounds a little bit scary, doesn't it? Fact number 19. An octopus has 3 hearts. 2 of them move blood beyond its gills, while the third one keeps circulation flowing for the body organs. 3 hearts. What a lucky guy. Fact number 18. Originally, Feng Shui was the art of choosing an appropriate place for a grave. That's right, funerals, ceremonies, and rituals are generally taken very seriously in Chinese culture. Fact number 17. On Saturn and Jupiter, rain is made from diamonds. It sounds like a fantasy, but that's true. Well, unfortunately, this miracle happens 1.2 billion kilometers away from us. Fact number 16. Now, look at this amazing picture. This is what the sky would look like if Jupiter was the same distance from the Earth as the Moon. Just wow. Fact number 15. There are 10 times more bacteria in the human body than there are cells. Fortunately, bacteria do a lot to keep us healthy. It means our lives are more closely linked to the microbial world than we used to think. Fact number 14. How many glasses of water do you drink per day? 3, 4? Here is a surprising fact. The likelihood that the glass of water you're drinking contains a molecule of water that once passed through a dinosaur is about 100%. Fact number 13. Frankenstein was the name of the creator, not the monster. In the story, Victor Frankenstein built the creature in his laboratory through a method consisting of chemistry and alchemy. Fact number 12. Catfish have 27,000 taste buds, and this is 4 times more than what human beings have. We have only 7,000 of them. Fact number 11. Now, what do you think this is? Any idea? This is actually what sand looks like under a microscope. Fact number 10. A stereotypical goldfish bowl is actually the worst kind of home for them. One of the reasons is the fact that goldfish require a lot of oxygen. A goldfish bowl is just too small. It does not have enough surface area to properly aerate it. Fact number 9. Reading in poor lighting or using a computer in the dark does not, in fact, have any negative effects on your vision. The study, published in the British Medical Journal, revealed that reading in poor lighting does not damage your eyes. However, it might cause eye strain. Fact number 8. Oxford University is older than the Aztec Empire. Oxford University was founded in 1096 and in the Aztec civilization in 1325. This means that Oxford University is at least 200 years older than the Aztec Empire. Fact number 7. In Cyprus, Santa Claus is called Basil. He is also called Saint Basil the Great. Fact number 6. No one has ever managed to tame an African elephant. Indian elephants have been domesticated for centuries. Humans use them for different sorts of things. However, African elephants are still wild. Do you have any idea why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Fact number 5. Did you know that a candle can burn in 0 gravity? Actually, it can, but the flame looks a bit different. Here is what a candle looks like when it burns on Earth. And here is how it burns in zero gravity, as seen on the space station Mir. According to scientists, candles that burn for 10 minutes on Earth produce a flame for up to 45 minutes on the space station. Fact number 4. A lack of sleep makes people see enemies all around them. According to scientists, those people have trouble reading facial expressions such as scowls or smiles. That's why you become unable to differentiate between a friend and an enemy. Fact number 3. The wrinkles that appear on the skin of your hands after taking a bath, for example, play an important role. This phenomenon is caused by the fact that when your body encounters an increased amount of moisture, it understands that the environment might be slippery. So the skin on your hands immediately begins to change in a way that will make it easier for you to grip smooth surfaces. Fact number 2. The groove between the nose and upper lip is called the philtrum. This tiny indent is a residual reminder of time spent in your mother's womb. The two sides of your face develop independently of one another and come to meet in the middle of your face, creating the philtrum. Finally, fact number 1. Round buttocks were determined by the evolution process. The main occupation of our ancestors was hunting, and in order to catch the prey, or at least to run fast, well-built buttocks were a great thing for such a task. Now, what fact has impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're visiting our channel for the first time, click subscribe to stay on the bright side of life.